LeeAnne and welcome to our park. Akin talaga. No, hindi sa akin to, sa government ng Thailand. Okay, what's your first question?
So how long have you been in Thailand?
Well, I have been here in Thailand for almost 6 years now, and so far so good.
So what are your expectations before coming here?
Well, my expectation, I didn't really know because I don't know Thailand before that, and I don't know many people, and I don't know you either.
So what is your impression now about Thailand?
Well, I think the people here in Thailand are very humble and honest, because you know what? I dropped my money somewhere, and 1 hour later, the money is still there.
So how long do you plan to stay here? How many more years?
The longest. As long as I can, if they want me.
Do you like your students?
Well, some. No, kidding. Yes, I do. Even though they're naughty and some are very lovely, I still love them.
Do you like teaching?
Before, honestly, no. But now, I learned to love it.
What is it that you like teaching?
Teaching helps you learn too, because you can learn also from your student, not you teaching them, but also you learn from them. Give and take.
So do you have any plans of going other countries? Teach as teacher?
I am not professional teacher professionally. My profession, I came here to Thailand, but I didn't know that I would teach. But maybe one day I will get that degree, education degree, and look for a teaching job somewhere.
Okay. So do you have any plans of going to the US?
For now, not anymore. Not anymore. Maybe someday.
Because many Filipinos wants to go to the US. So is it also one of your dreams?
I want to visit, but I don't want to stay yet. Maybe someday.
Why you don't want to stay in the US? It's an American dream for everyone to stay there.
It's an American dream, of course, but there is also Thailand dream.
Also, you're saying that you're gonna stay here forever?
Not forever. I will go back to my country for sure.
And what are you going to do in the Philippines if you're gonna go back?
Maybe wipe some butt. I don't know. Or kick some ass.
Kick some ass. Okay. And are you still single?
Secret.
So you've been living in Ubon for how long?
Okay, when I came here in Thailand, I found a job somewhere else and I worked there for only 2 weeks, and then I came to Ubon, and that's the first time I met you.
So do you have plans to move to another province in Thailand? Or
I like Ubon better than the other.
What do you like in Ubon?
It's peaceful, it's laid back life, and people are nice, and also there's no traffic, there's no pollution, and life is good in here.
You don't like Bangkok?
I don't like big cities, I don't like traffic, I don't like pollution. So,
But you like traveling.
I like traveling.
So how many countries have you been to?
Not a lot. Let me count. Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, Malaysia, Micronesia, Ponape, what else? Laos. Is that counted? Laos and Thailand. That's all. I don't know. You can do the math.
So of all the countries that you've been to, which one do you think is your favorite?
I think I like Hong Kong because there's Disneyland in there. It was my dream since I was young to be in a Disneyland.
And where else? Which country do you want to go to other than these countries that you've been to?
In my list, I have
planning to go this year or next year or sooner?
Well, if I can say it for them, you have to subscribe so that I can say it. Okay. Is it 20 already?
Yeah, it's 20 already.
Is it more?
20.
20 now?
Ah.
Okay, goodbye everyone. Nice